Hi, and welcome to the fourth episode of Dr. Butler Walks Around Her Yard and Talks About Plants. I'm standing here under this tree to show you that it has finally bloomed, but today we are going to talk all about lichens. So I was walking around my yard, as I tend to do, when I noticed these really cool lichens growing on this dead branch, in this case a rosette lichen and at least one or two other species, and this candle flame lichen growing on this brick here. Now you might be thinking to yourself, Dr. Butler, those don't look like plants. And you're right, they're not plants, but what they are is a really cool example of a tripartite symbiosis, where we have three organisms interacting together to create this unique organism called the lichen. Let me tell you how this works. So first to the party is the photosynthetic algae or cyanobacteria. Hi, I'm a photosynthetic algae or cyanobacteria. I'll produce some sugar and share it with you. Next to the party is a filamentous fungus. Hi, I'm a filamentous fungus and I will provide you a house and protect you from the environment. And then last, and this is the most recent discovery, is a yeast. Hi, I'm a yeast, and I'll produce lots of toxic compounds to help keep the microbial invaders away. And together, when these three organisms interact, we get a lichen. Algae or cyanobacteria. Yeast. Filamentous fungus. So why are lichens so important other than just being really interesting? Well, lichens are pioneer species in primary succession, which is when new bare rock is exposed and starts to be colonized by living organisms. Lichens can survive on bare rock, such as this candle flame lichen here, and as they grow on that rock, they secrete acids, which slowly starts to break down the rock and begins the soil formation process, which is essential for other plants to come colonize that land and then other organisms to come as well. That's all I've got for this week. I hope to see you next time on Dr. Butler Walks Around Her Yard and Talks About Plants. Or lichens.
I wish I knew you.